This video will talk about page 16 out of your math book. A student played a game using one of the spinners below. See, there's 3 spinners right there. So the student played this game using one of them, okay? They just put 3 on this page just to kind of have you analyze them. The table shows the results of 15 spins. Which spinner did the student use? Give a reason for your answer. So take a second right now. I want you to check out and make sure you understand this table. So the spin. The first spin, when the kids spun one of these 3 spinners, they landed on 1. Okay? When they spun that spinner a second time, they landed on 1 again. When they spun that spinner a third time, they landed on 2. When they spun that spinner a 4th time, they landed on 3. So go ahead and take a second and look at this information, and you decide, well, did they use spinner A, B, or C to collect this data? Okay, what do you think? All right, so if you're a little bit stuck, here is a big giant hint. I want you to tally the results. Okay, if that still doesn't make sense to you, I want you to fill this in. 1 occurred how many times? So how many times did they land on 1? Go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 occurred 6 times. Well, how many times did 2 occur? How many times did they land on 2? And how many times did they land on 3? That's what I got. Okay, now looking at this. They landed on 1 and 2 this exact same number of times, and then they landed on 3, half the amount of times they landed on number 1, and half the times they landed on number 2. So which one do you think makes most sense? To spinner C? Look how big this section is for number 3. It looks like they'd be pretty likely to land on that, don't you think? But here, they only landed on 3 times, so this can't be it. Let's check out up here. Oh, look, spinner A, it's got them all equally sized. So that doesn't really explain why we landed on 1 and 2, both 6 times each. So I don't think it's that one. Now look at spinner B. Oh, 1 and 2 are about the same size. 3 is smaller than 1 and 2. So that's why spinner B is your answer. Okay? Because it matches this information right here. In spinner blank, the sections labeled 1 and 2 are... Go ahead and finish this sentence up. How can you describe sections 1 and 2? And then talk about section 3. How does this match up with this data? Finish it up to get points.